Hi, I'm James, the After Sales Manager here at Volkswagen Van Centre Wrexham, and welcome to our new workshop. The first thing you'll probably notice is that it's completely new. It represents a large investment by our owners, the family-owned Swansway Motor Group. We now have 7 operational bays, which will soon be increasing to 10. We used to have just 4, so we've nearly tripled in size. This means we can service, repair and MOT more vans every day. Among the new equipment that we've invested in is a Hunter's wheel alignment machine. The machine will allow us to effectively measure and adjust the toe, the camber and also the caster of any vehicle. Incorporated on this wheel alignment machine, we also now have an MOT testing ramp. This means we can now offer both Class 4 and 7 MOTs to our customers. Our technician team has also expanded from 4 to 9 people. This allows us to effectively accommodate the bigger space and workload. So what does this mean for you as our customer? We understand that your van is a vital part of your business. This workshop will allow us to get your vehicle in and out quicker, reducing the downtime for yourself and your business. As well as investing in the workshop, we've also thought about what will help our customers the most. We now have a dedicated driver who will come and collect your vehicle and then return it to you once the work is complete. We've increased our collection radius, and this service is still free of charge. Alongside this, we've also increased the number of courtesy loan vans we can offer our customers. This should lead to you being able to book in sooner and cater to your needs more quickly. We've tried to think of everything to make it as easy and as stress-free for our customers to have their vans serviced, repaired or even MOT'd. And I hope you agree, we now have an excellent after-sales facility here in Wrexham. We look forward to welcoming you here at Volkswagen Van Centre Wrexham.